shoe my shoe. Shoe, 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 shoe. Dim sum, yam cha, dian xing. All these words refer to Cantonese brunch, almost always served with a cup of tea. It's hard not to love, but it's also incredibly difficult to make. As a hardcore dim sum fan, I had to go find out how it's done. So I found a dim sum master in training. Meet King.
Every morning we will have a briefing about what's going on for the training kitchen.
But what makes dim sum school so different from any other cooking class?
The hardest part of making dim sum is it requires a lot of handcraft skills, such as making har gow. Because the skin is very thin, unlike the glutinous dough, it's not that elastic. So while making the har gow, it's very likely to break the skin.
And har gow, the iconic shrimp dumpling, is the dish that makes or breaks a dim sum chef.
咁佢嗰個特色係蒸出嚟半透明，皮一定要薄，攝數要夠，咁個形狀工整咁先叫正式一個合格嘅蝦餃。
Sounds easy enough, right? Making dim sum is a lot harder than it looks, but students at this school have 2 years to figure it out. As for King, his dream is to eventually open a Chinese restaurant, and one day, hopefully, become a dim sum master. Hey guys, we're new and we're going to be telling a lot more stories about Chinese food. Let us know what you want us to cover next. I think King's got it in the bag.